Hello there, welcome back to Grandma Ray Don't Play, and I'm Rachel. Okay, so I'd like to show you, this is continuing with the Thanksgiving series. My Thanksgiving series is going to go on until Thanksgiving, until a couple of weeks before Thanksgiving probably. Okay, so I'd like to show you how to make spinach and carrot lasagna, and we're going to be using our Alfredo sauce, and I'm going to show you how to doctor up that sauce so it tastes really good. Okay, so this is another Thanksgiving treat, something that you may or may not have on your Thanksgiving menu, but why not? Everyone do not eat meat, and people who don't eat meat would love to have some delicious vegetable or pasta or both dishes. Okay, all right, thumbs up, share all the Thanksgiving series please, so that you can share with others and others can begin to start thinking about their Thanksgiving meal, and maybe they would like to use some of these recipes. Okay, so let's do it. Subscribe if you've never subscribed before. What are you waiting on? I'm here working hard for you. Subscribe. Okay, check out the links below. Let's do it. Okay guys, so this is Alfredo sauce. It says made with real cheese. Okay, Alfredo sauce. Alright, so we're just going to pour a little in the bottom of the pan. And then I'm going to just spread it around. Okay, and what I have here is some lasagna, pre-cooked lasagna, so you do not have to boil it, okay? Alright. And let me show you how it looks. It looks just like this. So they're not long like the ones you have to boil, they're shorter. Okay, so I'm going to just put that in my pan. Let me straighten this out so that you can see. There we go. Is that better? Much better. So it looks like I can fit 3 across. Hello there. One second. Okay, so this is what we're looking like so far. Alright, now I want to put some cheese down. Let me show you that. Okay, this is cheddar cheese. You can use any cheese you like. If you don't like cheddar, you can use mozzarella or whatever cheese you like. Okay, now I have spinach. I'm going to put the spinach down. I bought a big container of spinach. It was a family size. I think I paid $5 for the container. Okay, and now on top of the spinach I'm going to put some more Alfredo sauce. going to put a little water in here. Now I'll show you what I'm going to do with the water at the end. Okay, so now I want to put another layer of cheese. Now I want to do some seasonings. I want to add some garlic, granulated garlic. And some onion powder. I'm not putting any salt. Okay, so now I'm going to add the pasta. Add the lasagna. Now I have some shredded carrots. I'm going to put a layer of the shredded carrots right in the middle. Make sure you get the carrots all down into the sides where you may have some spaces. Okay, I think I have enough carrots. Let me show you that. Okay. Okay, so now I'm going to open my next jar of Alfredo sauce. And I'm going to pour that over the carrots. Okay, and now I'm going to put the lasagna, my last layer. Okay, I think I'm satisfied with the amount of lasagna and filling. Okay, so now I gotta add, oh, that's the one I added the water to. So I'm going to add the one that I added the water to this jar here to stretch my Alfredo sauce. See what I'm doing? And now I'm going to shake this up. And I want to pour that right over the pasta. Make sure you get it over the pasta, because if you don't cover the pasta completely, it will get hard on you. And you want it to soften up. Okay. And now I'm going to cover the whole thing with more cheese. I have to get some more cheese. I got another bag. I'm pushing anything that's like pushed, that needs to get pushed down so that you can't see it, because you want to see just cheese. Okay, I need some more cheese. Okay, so I probably use the equivalent of 3 bags of cheese. Oh, it's looking good, guys. Let me wash my hands. Okay, so now I just want to show you one last thing. I put a little more water in the jar, and with the already made lasagna, you do need to put some moistness in the pan, because that you need to make steam in order to activate the pasta. So I got a little water in this jar. You see, it's not much. Probably maybe 10 tablespoons full or something. And I'm pouring water here or there. You see that? Okay. Now, we're going to cover this with aluminum foil. Okay, so I have my foil. And I'm covering it with the foil, because if you just put it in there like that, the cheese will melt right away and brown, and the rest of it won't really have a chance to cook through. So I put the foil on it. Make sure the foil is not like touching it. And then when it gets 3/4 the way done, I'll take the foil off. Put it that way. There we go. And I'm going to cook this on, let me see, I'm going to cook it on 400, and I'll be right back to give you the word of the day. Thank you. Okay guys, our vegetable lasagna have been cooking for about 40 minutes. So I want to take the foil off and show you, and then I'm going to put it back in the oven so that the top can brown and the cheese can brown, okay? So let me show you. Okay, alright, so now I'm going to put it back in, and I'll bring you back when it is brown. Okay, 1 second. Let me give you a quick word of the day. The word of the day is, your wishful thought can come true. It's all up to you. So if you wish that you could pay off your charge card, make it happen. You know, sit down, come up with a plan, put your money in action, put your faith in action, and get it done. So whatever you wish that could happen, it can happen. It may not happen when you want it to. It may not happen instantly, but it can happen if you decide to make your wish come true. That's the word of the day. Okay, so we're just waiting on our cheese to brown on top of the vegetable lasagna, alright? We'll be right back. Okay guys, it's out. Vegetable lasagna. It has spinach and carrots inside. Wow. Okay, so let me plate me a piece and taste it for you, okay? I'll be right back. Okay guys, let me taste. I like the combination. I like the combination of the lasagna, the spinach, and the carrots. So right away I taste the Alfredo sauce and the softness of the lasagna, and then the spinach comes through very strong. I like it. I like it. And the carrots, you can almost taste it, but not as much as the spinach. You would really like it. It's got a nice pleasant taste. Okay, alright, share the video. This is another Thanksgiving meal, and let others know what they could do for their Thanksgiving. Let them think outside the box. Let them be the judge. You send share the video and let them see. Okay, alright. Subscribe if you haven't subscribed before. What are you waiting on? Please subscribe. And check out my links below. Love you. Bye-bye.